Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, I hope you all have attempted all your pre-midterm exams which were held this week. So I hope you all have done them very nicely, and very soon you will be knowing about your marks. So make sure children, when it will be notified to you, okay, we will send you a message for the PTM and for the when you have to come to school to get your marks. Okay, now children, after your exams, 2 days are left, today and Saturday. Okay, so today we are giving you the assignments, so very small assignments we will be giving you today, and tomorrow on Saturday we will be having one doubt session in which we will be discussing the exams which we have done this week. Okay, we will be doing all the difficulties which you have faced. We will discuss about them also, and we will discuss with your parents that what all we have to what all problems they have faced, or what all we will be doing for the next PTM. Okay, so we will be discussing many things tomorrow. So today we are going to give you assignments. So today, as you all know, this is your English period, online period, and we are going to complete our spelling power book. Okay, so you have to take out your spelling power book number 2 for class 2, and here we will do 2 pages today. So as you all know that you get 2 videos in each subject. So again, 2 pages, 2 videos. Okay, one video will be of one page and other video will be of other page. So let's get started without wasting time children. Take out page number 11. As you can see here, page number 11 till page number 10 we have completed before only. So now we will be doing on page number 11 fourth exercise, fourth number. Here it is written in Roman numbers, so we will complete this exercise. Okay, so first of all, as you all know that in this exercise it is given, add the letter or letters in the beginning to form another word. Now here are some letters given, and in the middle the last 3 letters are written, okay, which you will use with all these first letters. So first of all, what you have to do, here there are blanks given. So first word will be T. You will write T as the first letter plus RAP as the next 3 letters. So this is a word of total 4 letters. सबसे पहले हम T लिखेंगे क्योंकि सबसे पहला लेटर हमें T दिया है. T लिखेंगे, उसके बाद RAP यहाँ लगा देंगे तो क्या वर्ड बनेगा? ट्रैप. इन द सेम वे C पहले लिखेंगे, फिर RAP उसमें ऐड कर देंगे, क्रैप. फिर SC हम पहले लिखेंगे, देन RAP ऐड कर देंगे, स्क्रैप. ST पहले लिखेंगे, RAP ऐड कर देंगे, स्ट्रैप. ओके, so in this way we have to form all these words. So are you all ready children? Okay, very good. So first word you will write here T, then R, then A, P, trap. Next is C, R, A, P, crap. Then third one is S, C, R, A, P, scrap. Then fourth one is S, T. First we will write here, then R, A, P, strap. Is that clear to you all? Now coming to the next part. So here it is written P. So we will write P first. Then ART will be added, ART, part. Okay, then next letter CH. So we will write CH here. Then we will add ART. ART, the word becomes chart. Then comes ST, ART, the word becomes start. Then C, ART, the new word becomes cart. Okay, coming to the next word, next column, B, and the word which we have to add is ENT. So the word becomes bent. LENT, word becomes lent. Then comes S, C, E, N, T, word becomes scent. W, E, N, T, the word becomes went. Is that clear to you all? Then coming to the next column, all the words will end with END, end. Okay, so the first letter is L and END, lend. LEND, lend. Okay, then M, END, mend. FEND, fend. TEND, tend. Okay, so what all words we have formed? Lend, mend, fend, tend. Okay, then next is G plus OWN, gown. GOWN, gown. Then D, OWN, down. Then FROWN, frown. Then CLOWN, clown. Is that clear? So these are the words which we have formed from all these letters. Gown, down, frown, clown. Clear to you all? Then next is HUSH, hush. BRUSH, brush. CRUSH, crush. And the last is RUSH, rush. So all the words formed from these letters are hush, brush, crush, rush. Is that clear? Then next is MALT, malt. HALT, halt. SALT, salt. Clear to you all? Then next is SLAP, slap. CLAP, clap. FLAP, flap. Okay, so slap, clap, flap, these are the new 3 words which we have formed from these letters. Clear? Then next is SCROLL, scroll. STROLL, stroll. Scroll, troll, stroll. Okay, now next is DUST, dust. And the last word is MUST, must. So by this, children, we complete our first page, that is page number 11. So I hope you all have understood what you all have to do in this exercise. It is very simple. In each blank you have to see which letter is given. First you have to write this first letter, and then you have to write last 3 letters which are given here with all the letters. सारे letters के साथ हमें ENT, RAP, ART जो circle में word है ये लिखना ही लिखना है. बस first letters हमें change करने हैं. Okay? So in this manner we have to complete this exercise. Now children, I hope you all have understood this. Now switch on to my part 2 video in which I will be explaining you the next page. Okay? Bye bye.